In asset management systems, asset hierarchies reflect the relationships between functional locations and equipment in the as-is physical plant. An asset hierarchy can be seen as the backbone of the system and is of primary importance for the success of the asset management function. Incomplete and poorly defined asset hierarchies result in fragmented data, wasted time of expensive resources, and costly inefficiencies that ripple across process facilities. Without a structured approach, teams struggle to locate assets, standardize records, and make informed decisions. At the end of the day, this puts performance, compliance, and ROI at risk. Grounded in global best practices from ISO 14224, RDS, ISO/IEC 81346, and ISO 55000, ReVisionz brings structure to this complexity. Our Intelligent Asset Management (IAM) team specializes in designing and restructuring asset and location hierarchies within Enterprise Asset Management (EAM) and Enterprise Resource Planning (ERP) systems to bring clarity to your data environment. Why hierarchies matter in asset management. A clear and well-organized hierarchy serves as a map for your assets by outlining their locations and relationships within the system. This methodical approach provides several key benefits, including asset tracking. Easily find where each asset is located and how it connects to others in the system. Maintenance planning. Gain a comprehensive view of how assets interact with one another, allowing for more effective maintenance strategies. Failure analysis. Track and analyze failure data at various levels, ensuring compliance with ISO 14224 guidelines for effective reliability assessments. Consistent data. Capture. Maintain uniform data recording across different asset types and locations, which is vital for analysis, comparison, and benchmarking. Issue diagnosis. Quickly identify the root causes of problems by understanding the function and position of each asset within the hierarchy. Informed decision-making. A clear asset hierarchy enables faster, data-driven decisions in maintenance and reliability efforts by supporting effective management of asset criticality and failure impacts. By implementing a structured hierarchy, organizations can enhance their asset management processes, therefore gaining the benefit of improved efficiency, reduced operational costs, and lower operational risk. ReVisionz standardized solutions for every client. The team at ReVisionz understands that each client has unique needs. Whether you are restructuring an existing system or implementing a new plant, our IAM team tailors its approach to provide optimal results based on industry standards and successful practices using our extensive experience. Our process includes the following steps. Comprehensive analysis. We start by reviewing your current asset hierarchies to identify gaps and improvement opportunities. Data gathering. To bridge information gaps, we utilize available resources such as P&IDs, SLDs, and other engineering documents. If these documents are outdated or unavailable, we rely on 3D models, distributed control systems, DCS, 3D reality captures, and site visits. Structured hierarchy building using ISO 1422 for taxonomy levels or RDS object relationships. We design a multi-level structure that organizes assets based on functional and process relationships. M&R data. We assign appropriate classifications, failure classes, and component codes to all equipment to support maintenance and reliability analysis. Consistent descriptions. Classification attributes are used to develop standardized descriptions, ensuring clarity and consistency across your asset data. Seamless implementation. We implement the updated hierarchy in your EAM system, following site standards and gaining buy-in from maintenance, operations, and other stakeholders. Training and support. Our team provides training on hierarchy usage, data entry standards, and system navigation. This empowers your team to make data-driven maintenance decisions throughout the asset lifecycle. ReVisionz doesn't take a one-size-fits-all approach. Each hierarchy is carefully structured to reflect your site's realities and business goals, improving data integrity, streamlining maintenance, and allowing for more confident choices across the asset lifecycle. Visual examples of structured hierarchies. Example 1. Two different clients. This image displays how ReVisionz applies ISO 14224 taxonomy levels to structure asset hierarchies across different environments. Despite their differences, both hierarchies were built using a consistent ISO-based framework to ensure that the applicable taxonomy is assigned, which allows for scalability and alignment with business objectives. Example 2. One client, two plants. This image illustrates the tailored approach applied to two distinct plants within the same company. Plant 1 is a greenfield site with comprehensive engineering documentation, including P&IDs, SLDs, and PFDs. Plant 2 is an older brownfield site with limited data, necessitating reliance on 3D models, DCS systems, reality scans, and input from subject matter experts, SMS. Despite these differences, both plants adhered to corporate standards and maintained a similar structural framework. Achieving optimal results. Benefits of structured hierarchies. A well-defined asset and location hierarchy is a strategic enabler. It brings order to complex environments and strengthens data reliability across the asset lifecycle. These outcomes drive measurable value across operations, such as improved operational efficiency. Clear hierarchies speed up asset identification, reduce search time, and streamline maintenance workflows. Enhanced reliability and uptime. Organized asset structures make reliability data more usable while supporting proactive maintenance and fewer breakdowns. Accurate, consistent data. Standardized descriptions and classifications ensure trustworthy data entry, reporting, and analysis across the organization. Streamlined reporting and compliance. Structured data enables easier tracking of performance metrics and smoother audit preparation. Optimized resource allocation. Clear asset visibility helps prioritize maintenance, manage spare parts, and use technician time more effectively. Scalability for growth. Hierarchies are built to expand with your operations in a standardized way while maintaining structure and data quality. Improved team communication. A shared asset framework enhances communication between engineering, maintenance, and operations teams. With the right structure in place, organizations gain a clear framework that aligns people, processes, and systems around maintenance and reliable data, making it easier to manage complexity and unlock long-term value. Client success stories. Client 1, Greenfield Mining Site. At a new mining facility, we designed and implemented a structured asset hierarchy before the site's launch. This setup provided the client with seamless startup. With every asset mapped and organized, the site was operationally ready from day one. Enhanced operational clarity. Teams quickly assessed assets, locations, and relationships, which streamlined workflows and reduced time spent locating equipment. Efficient resource management. With a clear, organized hierarchy, the client was able to coordinate tasks smoothly across departments. This proactive hierarchy setup positioned the facility for efficient operations, laying a strong foundation as new assets were added. Client 2, Brownfield Plant with Limited Documentation. For a decades-old mining plant with minimal documentation, we used 3D scans to restructure their asset hierarchy. During this process, we uncovered that 25% of major equipment had not been recorded. Our restructuring achieved comprehensive asset mapping. By integrating previously undocumented equipment, the client gained a complete view of their assets, reducing operational blind spots. Improved maintenance accessibility. The new hierarchy made asset locations and relationships clear, which helped teams manage the plant efficiently. Simplified compliance. With a fully documented hierarchy, regulatory and compliance tasks became easier to manage and maintain. Our solution provided a comprehensive hierarchy that supported smoother operations and reduced oversight risks. Client 3. Oil and gas. Site with new skid installation. After a new skid installation at an oil well, our team assessed and refined the hierarchy using 3D scans and engineering drawings. This restructuring delivered clear asset interrelationships. The optimized hierarchy clarified connections between the skid and surrounding equipment, facilitating easy troubleshooting and maintenance. Data consistency. Across systems, the new hierarchy ensured alignment of asset information across teams and departments, which enhanced overall data integrity. Enhanced preventive maintenance. A clear view of asset dependencies supported better preventive maintenance planning and execution. This hierarchy update provided the client with improved visibility and operational consistency, ultimately supporting long-term site efficiency. Build sustainable success. At ReVisionz, structured asset hierarchies are a strategic lever for improving performance, visibility, and consistency across the asset lifecycle. From new facility builds to complex legacy environments, our solutions align asset data with business priorities and operational goals. We help clients streamline workflows, reduce downtime, and improve decision-making by strengthening the structure and integrity of their asset data. Our approach supports maintenance planning, regulatory compliance, and broader digital initiatives such as reliability engineering and predictive maintenance. Connect with us to learn how a well-structured hierarchy can elevate your asset operations and how ReVisionz can guide you towards scalable success. About the contributor. Philip Schachner, P.L. Eng, is a partner and intelligent asset management lead at ReVisionz who brings more than 33 years of global experience to complex client challenges. He combines technical expertise with practical insight, turning fragmented asset data into a single source of truth that supports stronger decisions. Leading a skilled team, he addresses data issues, manages system migrations, and develops asset registers and management plans that create measurable business value. His work has taken him across diverse companies, cultures, and technologies, reflecting his passion for managing complex enterprise information in asset-intensive industries and translating that complexity into solutions clients can use with confidence.